Today I am going to show you how to get the lower and upper sum of a formula in the x-axis. To get these sums, you have to keep this formula in mind. These notes are going to be useful to make the graph so you can get the sums. The triangle with the x is equal to the change in x. A is equal to the initial value of x, and b is equal to the final value of x. N is equal to the number of segments. Here you have an example where you're getting the formula and the places where you're going to get the sums. Between x equals 0 and x equals 2, considering that the change in x is equal to 0.5. First you have to get the number of segments so you can get the sums. You are going to get the segments using the formula that I showed you before, that is change in x is equal to the final value minus the initial value, divided by the number of segments. Now you just substitute the values and divide the numbers of the segments. Now you're going to have to graph the formula taking into consideration the number of segments. Now you have to get the right and left sums. You are going to use the change in x replacing the value of x of the segment on the formula. In the right sum, you are going to use the segment charged on the right side, in this case 0.5, 1, and 1.5, and 2. Now you're going to sum up all the values. On the left side, you're going to use the values of the segments charged on the left side. In this case, it's going to be 0, 0.5, 1, and 1.5. Now you're going to add all the values of this formula. Now that you add all of these values, you're going to see that one of them is the lower sum and the upper sum.